Hello students, I'm Loveleen Kaur. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about Immortality Ode written by William Wordsworth. Wordsworth is concerned with the theme of memory and passing of time in the Immortality Ode. In the first stanza, the speaker is reminiscing on the times of old when everything seemed to be apparelled in celestial light, the glory and the freshness of a dream. There is an innocence and beauty in the language, but as the first stanza draws to a close, Wordsworth begins to transform this happiness and innocence and way of seeing the world with the speaker's inability to regain those illusions later in life. The things which I have seen, I now can see no more. There is happiness in the child's way of seeing and the glory, but the speaker is thinking about the fact that everything old did not remain as it was in this memory. The childhood illusions cannot be regained. At one point, the speaker says that there had passed away a glory from the earth. The speaker has changed and something has been lost in the process of growing up. Wordsworth also characterizes this experience as entrapping or limiting. Wordsworth characterizes children using spiritual and religious language to talk about them. They view the world as if it was apparelled in celestial light and see the sunshine as a glorious birth. Words such as glory and celestial infer that children are somehow closer to the spiritual aspects of life than adults are and have a privileged view of the world. They are able to see the world in a different way because of their connection to a more pure form of nature and being because of their age. Wordsworth is raising many philosophical questions about the acquisition of knowledge. In this poem, the younger children see the world and nature as if they are bathed in an innocent religious glow. There is a power given to the young. Wordsworth's poetry is revolutionary in the way in which he experiments with content, language, and form in his poetry. This is particularly relevant to the Immortality Ode. Traditional Pindaric odes were very formal works written in praise of high and worthy people, places, or events. Wordsworth changes this tradition by writing an ode about a more everyday subject. He writes about one person's recollection and response to an event of their childhood, a happy shepherd boy. Writing an ode on such an average or even low subject matter was not the tradition, and Wordsworth faced many negative reviews at the publication of this ode. This speaking of a more average person in an ode was subversive at this time and could be seen as an attempt to make a political statement regarding the exclusive language and nature of the poetic tradition. Thank you.